Next up, in our RAN provider roles and features series, we're going to talk about alerting. Beyond onboarding your gateways, you'll want to know when things go wrong. With Senate, there's a built-in feature that allows for this. In this example, I'm going to work with the same gateway that we've onboarded. And as always, our documentation is a great reference for what we'll discuss today. Here in docs.seneco.io, we'll go to the RAN provider section, and under alerts, we'll find full documentation on what we're about to cover. And what I find extremely helpful is if you scroll down to the bottom here, this graph is a great resource to define the alert levels that you can use on your gateways. In our example today, we're going to use alert level 1, which is a simple alert level that'll tell you when your gateway goes offline. Back in our dashboard, I'll highlight this gateway and I'll click Edit. Scrolling down to the bottom here, we'll find alert level and we'll just set this to 1. Hit save, and that's all there is to it. We'll now be alerted on this gateway when it goes offline. I'll connect to my gateway through SSH. And now we can simulate an outage. To do this, I can disable the Senate packet forwarder. And to do so, we can look up that command in the Senate documentation under frequently asked questions. Under Home, under FAQ, scrolling down a bit, you'll find the question, how do I stop or start the Senate packet forwarder? And these two commands will do it for you. So I'll open up my terminal, and under the home directory, I'll issue the LG network stop. And there it goes. We just stopped the Senate packet forwarder. Back here in our dashboard, I'll go into this gateway, and it's already offline. You can see the status is red, and the uplinks and downlinks are red. And down here under the system events, we'll see that at 1:07 p.m., it disconnected. Now we know the gateway's offline, we want to be alerted. Our alerts window will show all the active alerts that are coming in from our gateways that are offline, as well as hitting negative trends specified by our other alert levels. Since this gateway went offline about a minute ago, there is about a 3 to 5 minute delay when an alert will actually come in. So we'll give it some time for that to show up. And there's our alert. You can see it took about 5 minutes to show up. But not only do the alerts come in through this window, we also send emails. Now, behind the scenes, I've associated my email address with the alerting for this customer. And let me just show you what that looks like in my inbox. And right here is what you'll see. An alert, the severity, and we consider offline as urgent, the EUI of the gateway, and any other information that comes along with it. So this way, you can get emailed at any time. So back in our alerts, we know that we have a gateway offline, and it's up to you to rectify this. Now most likely it's a power outage or an internet backhaul issue, but in our case, we know exactly what's wrong. We turn off the Senate packet forwarder to simulate a power outage. So now, we'll just go back to our gateway and re-enable the packet forwarder. It's the same command, but start. We'll go back to our gateway, and you can see it's already coming back online. So we'll go back to our alerts. And what's really cool about the Senate alerting system is that open alerts will automatically clear when they've been rectified. So we'll give this some time to see this disappear. And there it goes. Alert is gone. Now, you don't only see the open alerts in this window. You can filter by the status of open, closed, resolved, and cleared. If we select cleared, we'll see all the previous cleared alerts. So that's how easy it is to get up and running with the alerting functionality with Senate. Now to touch on a bit more, there is also a case management system that comes with your RAN provider account. Here, you can create cases for gateways at any moment. Give it a simple title, enter the base station EUI, and this is an auto-populating field. The status, which will be open to begin with, the status type, which you can select from a drop-down. Now, by selecting maintenance, you will actually disable alerting so that you can acknowledge that this gateway is being looked at. Otherwise, alerts will continue to come in. Specifying a start date and an expected issue end date is optional. The priority and the issue type, if you have some idea of what's causing this issue. The description, although optional, is required because any case that's created can be used to have the Senate operations team to look closer into the issue that you're experiencing. And click Save. I'll actually need to put in a title though. Now that you have a case created, you can email Senate Tech Support and let them know that you need some help with a gateway. And that's it. We've covered the alerting functionality, which is the simple process of assigning alert levels to your gateways to be notified when certain trends or outages occur, and that can notify you appropriately. And we've also touched base on the cases functionality, which allows you to create a case management system that can assign case severities to your gateways and that you can track outages and allow the Senate operations team to assist where needed. Thank you.